Today I'll show you how to create an Instagram ad. If you have an Instagram business account, you can create promotions with or you can create promotions to boost the visibility of a post on your profile. So to get started, navigate to your profile and select the post you want to promote. Then tap the promote button on the post page. Alternatively, you can also tap the button beside of the edit profile of your account, or at the right top, the three lines at the right top, then choose insights, tap the insights, then just scroll down, then go to the promotions section, then tap create promotion. But I preferred to choose this product and tap promote. Okay, so here at the destination, select where to spend people. Okay, so I will choose your profile, which means my page at TravelWise. Then tap the arrow sign at the top right. Then okay, so um Instagram lets you choose from several destinations for your promotion. So I will, or to select your target audience, instead of automatic, I will create my own. So under the create audience section, I will add audience name. Okay, so add locations. Okay, so I will choose here, instead regional, I will choose the local. By the way, in this section, you may select your current location, or you may add multiple address, then adjust the radius to see the surrounding cities are included, and if the center of the city falls within the radius, your ad can deliver to the selected locations. Okay, I prefer to add my address. Then under the suggested address, I'll choose this one, and then adjust the radius. Once you're done, tap the check sign at the top right, and then proceed to interest section. Here you can also define here your target audience by adding a broad range of interest. You may select the suggested interest, or you may type it on the search icon. You may select multiple interest. Then once you're done, tap the check sign at the top right, and then proceed to age and gender. Here you may choose both male and female, then adjust for the preferred age limit. Here it always shows the estimated potential people reach. Then once you're done, here in create audience section, just tap the check sign at the top right, and then you may now proceed to budget and duration. Okay, so this section, in this page, you can select your budget and you can choose how long you want your ad to promote. Let's say 5 days. So it will shows your total spend is 1,400 over 5 days. Then you can also preview promotions. You can tap this one to review. Okay, we're almost set. We may proceed now to payment. In this section, you choose or you may select your preferred payment method. If you are or if you preferred a debit card, just put all the necessary information here. Or you may connect your PayPal account here. And that's it. Then you're all set. Thanks for watching.